Okay, so this is just a little ribbon. If I didn't have any, I think like a light orange would look good too. Ribbon.
All right.
Not a bright one, but
We have another quick
I
question.
didn't have any.
Another couple of quick questions. How much would you charge for this cake, and how many will it feed?
Well, it's not going to feed a lot. Like
It's more of a centerpiece
10.
kind of a thing.
Yeah, but I mean, I could make it bigger if I wanted to.
Yep.
Or you can make other cakes that go with it.
Yeah.
So that's
Turtle
kind of your
cupcakes.
too. Ooh, yeah, turtle cupcakes. Almost there, almost there. Okay. Wrap it around a little further. Cut. Whoops. Woo! Spinning.
We have an actual question.
Oh, an actual question.
An actual live, a real question.
A real question.
How in the world can you do something like this so quickly? How can you do it? What do they have to do to get this fast? As you crank this out in an hour.
Yeah. Well, it's
What'd you
not
do?
done. Does that make you feel better? I still have to fill in some leaves around
Cool.
the back here.
It's looking
So
good.
does that, around the
Yeah.
neck? So this is going to take me at least another like 2 minutes.
At least.
How do you get fast?
Yep. How do you get fast?
I think I got fast from working at a bakery.
So basically practice a lot. Practice.
Yeah, I mean,
do you practice? Here's a quick question.
I don't practice. Obviously, I've never made this cake.
But when you're doing it,
I know you're saying it shows.
That's right. No, the idea is that when you practice, do you practice doing it quickly? So I mean, to get fast, you practice quicker, right? Practice fast.
Practice
As
fast.
opposed to practice taking
slow.
your time. Yeah, if you want to get quicker, you practice quicker, right? Do a
If
bunch
you
of
want to
cakes.
make money, then you do it quicker.
There you go.
Right?
Oh,
It's hard to practice quicker. Why don't you all do YummyArt videos?
That's right. I think that's a good idea.
Well,
What?
if you want, you could set a timer, and you know, I mean, obviously, I had all this stuff ready, so I mean, besides the cake and everything, but I had
Yeah.
a bunch of the stuff ready. Right?
There was a lot of preparation before you actually began.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
So.
okay.
Okay, I'm just taking a little bit of, this is just a round tip number 3, and I'm just kind of making little, almost like little, just balls basically, or they almost look like little grapes, but they'll pass for little flowers. You can, add other different kinds of flowers. I probably wouldn't add the same kind. Let's see though. I've got some here. Maybe I would. Maybe I would because I just did.
You just did.
I just did it. Just like that.
Oh, and how much would you charge if you were to
How much would I charge?
How much would you charge to do a cake like this for somebody?
Oh boy.
That's always a tough question because it really depends on where you are.
It really is hard.
Yeah. More than $20
Yeah. Yeah.
and less than 1,000.
150, is that good?
It's good. Sure.
Is that good? Or I have to say the whole thing? Oh,
just
it
depends,
depends what
yeah.
kind of car they drive up in. Depends on what mood I'm in.
Nice.
I mean, that's the same thing I tell you every time, right? So that, maybe I'll put a couple more orange flowers down there. And I do have some chocolate, like dirt, but I don't know if I'm going to pop it on. Sometimes it helps just to get a dark color down there at the base. And sometimes it doesn't matter. Part yellow one there. A couple more flowers back here, even though you guys can't really see them. And so these are the cookie crumbs here. Maybe just a little dirt.
Is that food safe dirt?
No, I just got it out of your yard.
Yard.
And you have several dogs.
Okay, what's the recipe for food safe dirt?
For food safe, this dirt is actually just leftover cake crumbs.
Ooh.
So when you have your crown of your cake or extra cupcakes that you didn't use, just kind of crumble it up. Oh, that's 4 spots. I can't do 4 spots. I have to do 5 or 3. It's too late to do 3. So you just crumble it up, put it on a sheet tray, and let it dry out. It's got to completely dry out, and then you can store it in a container. Like that one was a loose fitting container. If it's if the container's like if it's sealed too much, the moisture will be in there, and that's not good. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, that's what I needed.
That was
That's
it.
what I needed.
Yes.
Flour on the hat.
Oh yes.
Okay, that was it.
Yep.
Excellent.
Yep.
We love him. Thank you so much,
Do
ladies
you
and
love
gentlemen. A huge round of applause for Susan Carberry.
Oh, thank you. He is cute. Huh?
That's awesome.
I do say so.
It is
Thank
awesome.
goodness, another one worked out.
Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you again on, come on out to YummyArts, check us out. And if you remember, we will see you next month with a brand new live class. One more round of applause for Susan Carberry.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Hi,
gang.
everyone. Bye, everyone.
See
Thanks
you
for
soon.
coming.
Bye.